Hey guys, Sackbot Ninja 3 here, and today I am doing Waluigi and Wario, the Wario brothers. Recently, I have done on the princesses. Oh, how did they get there? No, I'm just kidding. So today, I'll be doing the Wario brothers. So yeah, let's get into unboxing them. Alright, bigger ones. Okay, Waluigi. Dang. They actually have Waluigi. You know, I wish they put him in Smash Bros. Okay, then. That's a little derp face. But it's really cool. I guess. It's really good compared to my other figure. Wario. Wait. Waluigi time. Okay. So, now, time for... Wahahaha! Wait, that's the wrong one. Get out of here. Okay. So, let's get into unboxing Wario. He does look kinda the same as his other figure. I mean, if you ask me. Wario! Waluigi time! Ah! Ha ha ha! Okay, guys. Thank you for watching this. I hope you have a good Christmas. And, well, make sure to subscribe and, well, like and subscribe, and thanks, guys. See you later.